Greetings vendors. In today's video we are going to my mobile home park with a Vendo 475 machine. It is an awesome collection for the week. Watch all the way to the end. Enjoy the show. Greetings vendors. As you can see from the pile of soda there, we are going to be doing a restock and collection on this machine. This is a Vendo V475. As you can tell, Monster's low, Orange is out, Sprite is low. We're going to go ahead and get this all restocked. Again, I apologize. This was a week that I had forgotten my GoPro, so I was doing all of the recording with my cell phone. I did get all my numbers into my VendSoft application to track my sales and inventory. Going to get this restocked. If you'd like to learn more about that, check out the link in the upper right hand corner of your screen. This is a big machine. It's a 475 can machine, and it's taken 6 months, but it has slowly gotten better. Now it's up to about $100 a week. Cannot complain about that. If you guys are interested in more vending machine content, check out Galaxy Games 843, Quik Play, Xtreme Vending, and the Howard Hospitality Group. Their links are down in the description. Did have a little bit of overflow, so I stuck it on my Coke Zero column. Up next, I think I'm throwing them on. Nope, Dr. Pepper's going in. Patented knee split there. If you'd like to learn more about what I've done to this machine, I did get this machine for free, and I did some work on it to make it valuable in the current markets. This machine was originally a single price machine. It has been rewired and a controller added to allow it to be credit card controlled. Back over to the Orange Crush. This machine's almost like a Dixie Narco. It keeps extra cans in inventory when it's sold out. This machine does 4 cans, whereas the Dixie Narco does 2, so they're still really good. So when you restock the machine, when it says it's sold out, there's still 4 cans that are pre-cooled, ready to go if someone buys a soda right after you stock. So it does come in very handy. If you want to check out my buddies' channels, they are currently giving away a Cube Factory claw machine. You'd have to sign up for the Discord that's down in the description to get signed up for that, but it would definitely be an awesome thing to get. I hope I win it myself. On to the Mountain Dew. Yeah, the machine really needed a restock. Onto the Coke. This machine is so tall you can't see the top of the columns if you're looking at it from above. Now we'll get onto the Pepsi. End of a case broke, so I couldn't get my knee split on this one. On to the monster. They really like the regular monster here. I tried the white monster. They didn't like it too much, so I put the regular monster in. It sells a lot better. How's your guys' business doing for the week? As you can see, the machine's completely restocked now. And we'll go ahead and get on to the collection here. I do all of my own repairs on my machines. It saves me a ton of money. I also might do my own modifications. Look at all that change. There's a lot of change in there. We'll get that dumped in there, and we'll get onto the cash. First, we'll get a lucky quarter drop back in the bucket. This machine did $101.50 for the week. $13.90 was credit cards. As you can see, there's a nice stack there with multiple $5 bills. For more vending related content, like and subscribe. Have a great day.